Okay, dear friends, in this video, I'd like to start off with some sort of stealthy scanning. The first one is now scan. Yeah, this scan or this type of scanning will send packets without flags set. Okay, and based on the standard, based on the RFC, the target should respond with a packet. The IST flag would be set if the port number is closed. Okay, so let me show you. Maybe we can stop and restart. As you can see, the UTP scan will take a very long time. So we can do the sudo map. And now, and we can specify maybe the port number will not exist like this one, and the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. Yeah, as you can see, this is closed. So if the port is closed, the map we can get the result or response very quickly. Okay, and if you scan the target with the open port number, let me show you. For example, like 80, as we know, the 80 is open on the target, will flag this port number as open and filtered. Okay, and next, yeah, okay, sorry, I forgot to look at the option here. You can IP address. As you can see here, the flag, all flag are not set, and so we can get, as you can see, we get the response. So this response, no response, because the port number is open. We will not get a response at all. Okay, so next would be fin scan. So we set the fin flag on. And if the similarly to the non-scan, if the port number is closed, the nmap will get the packet with RST flag. Okay, so let me show you. We can do sudo. We can use the same port number. As you can see here, we set the fin flag on, and no response because this port number, this port is open. If you send the packet to the closed port number, and then you will get the ISMP unreachable message or packet. Okay, so let's move forward. The next one is, yeah, I've already demonstrated this one. And next one is XMass scan. And this one, the packet will set all those, push, urgent, and fin flag on. And it looks like a Christmas tree, a blinking Christmas tree. Okay, let me show you. So the behavior is very similar to now and fin scan. In other words, if the port is closed, and then we'll send back the response with RST flag. If the port is open, and then the target will not respond. Okay, let me show you. So we can go to like sudo and map as uppercase H. Restart the white shock. Press enter. Yeah, we'll flag this. Yeah, this, of course, this port number, this port is open. However, a map will flag it as open or filtered. And if you go to the white shock and the first pack, as you can see, the urgent flag will be set, and also the push will be set, and also the fin flag will be set. So it looks like, or it appears like blinking Christmas tree. Okay, next. So maybe so far you will have one question: why we need such a bit weird scanning? Because we have the scene scan and also the TCP scan and also the UTP scan. Because in some cases, this or such sorts of scanning can help us to evade firewall, because many firewalls will be configured to block incoming packet, and such packet will set the SYN flag on. We block it. So we can use the XMS or now or fin scan, because this some sort of stealthy scanning will not set SYN flag at all. So can bypass such a firewall. Of course, I'm talking about a bit old firewall. The modern firewall or IPS can detect such a scanning without any issue. Okay? So I think in this video, I've already covered how to do the stealthy scanning. And I'd like to introduce the surface scanning or virtual scanning in the next video. See you there. Bye.